How to fix WhatsApp calls problem. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys to fix this problem is so simple. Just open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds, scroll all the way down until you find the WhatsApp app like this, click on it, and now click on this storage right here. This is the internal storage of the WhatsApp app. All what you want to do here is click on this clear cache option. Go back and click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Last thing you want to do is you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have the iPhone or the iOS. Click on this update option and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to restart your phone. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.